You built your AI influencer, you posted your first reel, and then nothing. 0 views, 0 follows, 0 sales. Here is the truth nobody in this space is telling you. The problem is almost never your avatar quality. It comes down to 4 invisible mistakes. Mistakes that are killing your reach before a single real person ever sees your content. I'm going to show you exactly what they are and exactly how to fix each one right now. I have built and tested AI influencer accounts across Instagram and studied exactly how the algorithm distributes content in 2026. I have watched accounts with stunning avatars get 0 traction. I've also watched simple setups grow fast. The difference had nothing to do with the avatar. It came down to 4 things most creators never fix. So let's get straight into it. Here's the thing most people get wrong. Growing an AI influencer on Instagram in 2026 is not about posting more. It is about triggering the right algorithm signals every single time you post. By the end of this video, you will know how to fix your niche signal, how to use trial reels to get free organic reach, how to build a 2-layer hook that stops the scroll, and how to use Instagram stories to boost your reel in the first hour after posting. And stick with me because this next part changes everything. There's one feature Instagram built directly into the platform that almost every new AI influencer account completely ignores. It can double your reach overnight, and it is completely free. Step 1 is fixing your niche signal, and this is where it gets interesting. Instagram does not promote accounts, it promotes content to specific interest groups. When you post general AI content, Instagram does not know who to send it to, so it sends it to nobody. The fix is to pick one tight niche and stay in it for your first 30 days. Every reel, every story, every carousel connects back to the same theme. For an AI influencer account, that means every post is about AI beauty, AI fitness, AI finance, or whatever persona your influencer is built around. One niche, one audience, one algorithm signal. It typically takes 8 to 12 posts in the same niche before Instagram starts confidently distributing your content to the Explore page. Most creators give up at 3 or 4. Now here's what nobody tells you. Instagram now reads the spoken words in your video through auto-transcription. That means your keyword needs to appear in your caption, in your on-screen text overlay, and spoken out loud in the first 10 seconds of your reel. All 3. Every time. The algorithm uses all 3 signals together to decide who to show your content to. Step 2 is using trial reels. Most tutorials skip this step. Trial Reels is a feature Instagram built specifically to give new accounts organic reach without needing an existing audience. When you post a reel as a trial reel, Instagram tests it on a small audience of non-followers whose interests match your content. If that test group engages, Instagram distributes the reel more widely. If it does not perform, it does not hurt your existing account metrics. This is the single biggest unfair advantage available to new AI influencer accounts right now. Here's the system. Post every reel as a trial reel first. Give it 20 hours. Check the insights. If the reach from non-followers is strong, convert it to a full post. If it is weak, tweak your hook and retest before committing it to your main feed. The common mistake here is posting straight to the main feed without testing. Every reel you post without testing is a missed opportunity to learn what actually works for your specific audience before it counts. Step 3 is building a 2-layer hook. Keep watching because this is the part that actually makes the difference. A hook on an AI avatar account has to work harder than a hook from a real creator. Your viewer does not know your influencer yet. There is no face recognition, no existing trust, no personality they have seen before. So your hook has to create instant curiosity using 2 separate layers at the same time. Layer 1 is the visual hook. This is what appears on screen in the very first frame before anyone presses play. Your AI influencer should be in a striking setting, a bold expression, a clear visual contrast, or an unexpected situation. This is the frame that stops the scroll. Layer 2 is the text hook. This is the bold caption or overlay text that appears in the first 2 seconds. It should do one of 3 things. Name a specific pain your viewer has right now, make a bold specific claim they did not expect, or ask a question they cannot ignore. This took me weeks to figure out, so pay attention. Research shows Instagram users are scrolling fast and you have less than 2 seconds to stop them. One layer alone is not enough in 2026. Both layers working together is what creates the pattern interrupt that stops the scroll and starts the watch time. And watch time is the #1 signal the Instagram algorithm uses to decide how far to distribute your reel. Step 4 is using stories to boost your reel in the first hour after posting. And this is where it gets interesting. When Instagram publishes a new reel, it tests it on a small group first. The engagement from that early window determines whether it gets pushed wider. Most creators post and then do nothing. That is the biggest mistake. The moment your reel goes live, share it to your stories immediately. Add a poll sticker, a question box, or a short teaser text that sets up the reel without giving away the payoff. Every pull tap, every question reply, and every DM your story generates in that first hour tells Instagram your content is creating real engagement. And Instagram rewards that signal with wider distribution. Reply to every comment that comes in during the first hour. Instagram interprets that back and forth as high-quality engagement, and it signals that your content is generating meaningful interaction. The 5 signals Instagram prioritizes in 2026 are watch-through rate, shares, saves, comments, and follows. Likes barely make the list anymore. A reel that gets 300 shares will outperform a reel that gets 3,000 likes every single time. Build your content to earn shares and saves, not just likes. Here's what this looks like when all 4 fixes are in place. Your account has one tight niche. Instagram knows exactly who to send your content to. You're using trial reels to test before you commit, so every post on your main feed is already proven to perform. Your hooks stop the scroll in 2 seconds using both a visual and a text layer. And every time you post a reel, you immediately share it to stories and reply to every comment in the first hour to trigger the distribution wave. That is not luck. That is a repeatable system. The AI influencer accounts growing on Instagram right now are not doing anything magical. They fixed these 4 things in their first 30 days. They stayed consistent, and they let the algorithm compound their growth for them. That is exactly the position you are now in. 3 things to take away right now. 1, post in one tight niche and speak your keyword out loud in every reel so Instagram knows who to send it to. 2, use trial reels to test every post before it goes to your main feed. 3, share every reel to stories the moment it goes live and reply to every comment in the first hour. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button. It helps this content reach more people who need it. And if you want the full system, the complete niche strategy, the trial reel templates, and the monetization blueprint are all inside the free course linked in my bio. That is the fastest path to building this properly from day one. And if you want to see exactly how I create a full week of AI influencer content in under 2 hours using HeyGen, click the video link on the screen. I will see you there.